It's been 9 months since over 300 houses were demolished because of this Lagos to Calabar coastal road construction. And I'm here to show you guys the progress of this construction after 9 months. This is the month of December, in case you're watching this video later in the future, so you get to know the time this video was filmed, and there might be differences also. And oh wow. So anyways, I'll be showing you the construction update on this Lagos to Calabar and how amazing this project is turning out to be. Let's dive into the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. The Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway has experienced lots of construction upgrade. This road, at first when it started, many people thought this is gonna be same as other projects that were abandoned in Nigeria. But this is the coastal highway, and the construction has kicked off very fast, and it's also moving on a very fast pace. This is still the first 47km, which is in Lagos, though the train section, which you might not be seeing in any coastal road video, is because the construction hasn't started yet. The train section is meant to start at Jakonde, which the construction is just not too much at Jakonde yet, because of how the ones at Victoria Island is still working hard to meet up with those at Jakonde. Anyways, I will show you more about the construction in a jiffy. I'm currently at the coastal road construction, and behind me is a massive construction currently going on. And as you can see, I'm here to show you guys this beautiful construction. With the pace of this construction, will it be completed within the next 10 years? Oh my god, the noise here, it's too much. Right behind me is a building that was built and sold to people with the belief that they are going to live in front of the ocean. All this sand you are seeing here used to be an ocean, a very big ocean. And this land and properties were bought at a very high rate because most of them thought this is going to be the front of ocean, and everyone wants to live close to the ocean so they could feel the breeze and live an amazing life. But to their greatest downfall, or rather to their greatest surprise, the coastal road project came up and all these were denied from them. I don't know what's going to happen now for someone who already purchased a flat in that building, if they're going to get a refund or probably sell out their own property to someone else. If you know something like that, or if you have a better idea, kindly help us in the comment section. So this is how the construction is ongoing. Right here, I'm standing at Marua area of Lagos, and as you can see, the construction is so big that you could barely see anything aside from the ocean over there. This is a very big water, and I'm just speechless. Concerning this Lagos to Calabar coastal road, everyone has a different point of view. Based on my own idea and based on what I'm saying, I believe this coastal road is a progress. But the question is, could they complete this coastal road in the space of 10 years? Or is there anything that's going to stop or hinder this construction? I don't know about that. I believe the budget for this construction has been set out, and also payment has been made to companies to deliver items and equipment that will be used in the construction site. So if anything is going to hinder this construction, I just pray it doesn't happen, because I would love to see this construction being completed. Definitely it's not going to be completed next year or next 2 years, but I believe in the space of 8 to 10 years it's meant to be completed. And as soon as this construction is completed, I believe by then I'm gonna get married. I'm just 20, sorry, that's another case. But I believe this construction is a very nice one, and it's also gonna make Nigeria great, help commute, take you from one place to another. And that is one of the best means of transportation, land. Many people believe it's air, but I think land is still the best means of transportation.